Hello everyone, thanks for joining in. Here we go again with another unboxing video. This time I will show you another ship from the Star Trek Starship Collection by Eaglemoss. It is the USS Titan, and that is a very special ship. If you want to learn more, stay tuned. It is easy to see. The USS Titan is a ship from the next generation era. But we never had a chance to see the ship on screen. It is only mentioned in the movie Star Trek Nemesis, where we learn that Commander Riker will leave the Enterprise and will become captain of the Titan. Sadly, Nemesis wasn't a very successful movie, and so Captain Riker's adventures only continued in books. The books again were successful, and so the publisher, Simon & Schuster, held a contest of what the Titan should look like. And this one is the winner. From that time on, the Titan existed in pictures and computer-generated images. But things changed again when Eaglemoss started the Starship Collection. Fans urged the company to make a model of the Titan. It took some years, but they finally did it. And the Titan is a very great addition to the collection. It is no secret, but the quality of Eaglemoss items can vary. As you can see with my model, one side of the sensor array wasn't aligned perfectly. Gladly I was able to fix it. I could press it back into the saucer section very carefully. It is easy to see. The designer was without a doubt heavily influenced by some other existing ships, like the NX Enterprise or the Akira class. But he did a great job and created an amazing ship. It even looks nice if you turn the whole thing upside down. But as always with Eaglemoss, the paint for the windows is at the wrong places. Now let's take a look at the magazine. This one has no ongoing number since it was a special issue. And on these pages we learn a lot about the history of the ship, as it was told in the Titan book series. I really do like looking at these computer-generated images. I only wish the actual model had this quality. And because the ship was never seen on TV or in a movie, we learn a lot about the design process instead. It seems it took a while to get the finished product ready. And this is the first appearance of the Titan, on the cover of a book. I can't tell you much about it, because I only read the first issue of the series. But I guess the Titan series is very popular, so it must be good. Maybe you will give it a try. And that is all I wanted to show you today. What do you think of Eaglemoss Titan? Feel free to leave a comment for the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be back with some more unboxing videos very soon.